My dad was born in Budapest and he left in 1956 during the uprising. Unfortunately lost contact with his family and we've spent years and years searching for them, but we've been unsuccessful because we haven't had the correct information. Ancestry helped me with my search. The design of the website enabled me to search the photographs. I was hoping to just even find a bone structure or a face that I recognised. When I first saw the picture of my dad in Monica Hereditary, the hair stood up on the back of my neck.
She brought more pictures, more names, who they are, where they are, they're alive. When I went to see my sister in Budapest, that was very emotional. After 60 odd years, you can imagine what you feel like. It felt like we're hugging each other forever.